it's Tiara. I am coming to you from my car because it is going to be a busy day, but I am keeping my promise and my word about doing videos every single day for our fibroid journey, okay? So today is day 3 of my fibroid journey for the grapefruit, garlic, and apple cider vinegar mixture. So I took it today just to give you guys a little bit of an update. I don't know if I feel that much different. I do feel like in like the lower abdomen kind of area, I do feel sometimes like a little bit of a pinching type sensation. So not really for sure what that means. But I am being consistent, following the regimen. I know that I told you guys before on our day 3 video that I was going to show you some different teas that I also take, but you have to give me a minute. So stay tuned for those videos just because it's just going to be a hectic day. It's a work day and I am moving. So just an update. I'm not feeling that much different. I can say that I do feel like my hormones are balancing a little bit more. Only because like I told you guys before, me being anemic, I'm always cold. Even after I got the iron infusions, it settled and I was feeling better, but I was still sometimes cold on and off. And since I've been taking the garlic, the grapefruit, and the apple cider vinegar mixture, I have been noticing that I am hot. Just a whole new experience for me because I'm always cold. So I feel like, I'm hot and I just feel like something's rebalancing a regimen of some sort. So not really for sure what that means just yet, but I'm hoping that it's all positive news and that this is truly helping me, which would then possibly help you in ensuring that you are able to heal your body of uterine fibroids, okay? So as I said, don't have too much that I want to go over today, only because, as I said, I am driving. I'm on the freeway right now. So I just wanted to give you guys an update because I told you it was going to be every day. I wasn't going to miss a day because you, my tea timers, need to know this information. And I don't want you to feel like you weren't able to follow the journey, okay? So I will come to you guys tomorrow, let you know how I feel on day 4, and then we'll take it from there. All right, ladies, don't have my teacup again, but from my teacup to yours. Ciao for now. Hey there,